Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. Glad you're here.
It's great to be back.
Okay, so I have the script right here. I'm ready to start. I just made it to, wait a minute. Where is it?
Where's what?
I can't find my glass. I literally just had it a second ago. I need to read this paper, but I lost my glass.
Oh, you're thirsty. Don't worry. Hang on. Here is a glass.
Mm.
Do you want some water? Or juice, maybe?
Whoa, no, no, not a cup. I don't want to drink. I mean, for my eyes, I can't see the words on the paper.
Oh, okay. Right. You mean your glasses.
Yes, my glasses, they were right here on the desk. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That was funny.
It really was. You know, it's amazing. Just one small sound, that S at the end, it changed everything.
Totally.
I thought you were thirsty, but you were blind.
I was blind as a bat. It's
Okay.
crazy, isn't it? One little letter changes the whole meaning. I said glass, singular, so you gave me a cup.
Exactly. I heard glass, so I was looking for a container. If you say glass is plural, I know to look at your face.
I am so forgetful these days. It's like a real problem. I lose things all the time. My keys, my phone, and, yes, constantly my glasses. Do you lose things? Often.
Sometimes. I mean, I lose my keys occasionally.
Yeah.
But I try to be organized. You, my friend, are a little bit chaotic.
It's true. My head is always in the clouds, you know? I'm thinking about 10 different things. But this mistake, glass versus glasses, it feels so similar, but it's just so different. It's confusing.
It is different, but it actually makes sense if you think about it. Think about it like this. Do you like shoes?
I love shoes. I have way too many pairs. Sneakers, boots.
Okay, so imagine you have just one shoe, like just the left one.
Just one.
Yeah, can you walk?
Not very well. I'd hop or, I don't know, walk in a circle. I need 2 shoes, a pair.
Exactly. Glasses are like shoes for your face.
Shoes for my face. I like that.
You have 2 eyes,
I
right?
hope so. Let me check. Yep, 1, 2, still there.
Good. So because you have 2 eyes, you need 2 lenses. It's a pair. That's why we say glasses.
That makes perfect sense. Shoes for my face.
Yeah.
That helps me remember.
It's the same for other things with 2 parts. Like we say pants or trousers, not pants.
For scissors.
Right. Scissors, not scissor. Because there are 2 blades.
Got it. Okay.
So glasses follows that same kind of rule.
Huh.
But if I just say glass, just one, it feels completely different.
It really does. When I say glass, I don't think of a tool or a pair.
Right. Glass feels like the material itself. It's hard, clear. It breaks easily. Or it's just one object you hold in your hand. Like the cup I gave you.
The cup I did not want. Although I'm actually a little thirsty now.
See, the glass is useful. But when we say glass as a material, I think of something smooth and hard.
That's a window.
Exactly. And when we say glasses, I think of a tool, an accessory, something that helps a person.
It's interesting how the feeling changes, you know? Glass is cold. Glasses are personal. They're part of my face.
That's a great way to put it.
Okay, I think I have it. But let's practice. I want to really feel the difference. You know, use these words in a real situation, not just talking about it here.
Good idea. Context is everything. Let's imagine we're going to a dinner party.
Ooh, a dinner party, a casual pizza party.
Well, no, this is very fancy. A formal event. Everyone's wearing nice clothes. There's like classical music playing.
Okay, I'm hungry already. So we're at the party. We walk into the dining room. What do we see?
Well, look at the furniture. It's beautiful. There's a big shiny table in the middle of the room.
Wow, it looks expensive. Is it polished wood?
No, look closer. This table is very modern. This table is made of glass.
Oh, I see that now. It's transparent. You can see the rug right through the table. That's really stylish.
Yes, it is. But be careful. Don't lean on it too hard. The glass is fragile.
Right. Glass breaks easily, and it scratches too. I'll be careful. I do not want to break their expensive table. That would be a bad start to the party.
A very bad start. Everyone would just stop and stare at you.
My nightmare. Okay, so the table is made of glass material.
Correct. Now, let's sit down. A waiter is coming over.
I am definitely thirsty now, all this talking.
So what do you say to the waiter?
I smile and I say, "Excuse me, can I have a glass of water?"
Perfect. You want one container, one cup.
Yes. Just one. I don't need a pair of waters. I don't have 2 mouths.
No, that would be very messy. And you wouldn't say a cup of water in a fancy place like this.
Oh, good point.
Cup usually sounds like it's plastic, or for hot things like tea or coffee.
Yeah. Cup of coffee, but a glass of wine or a glass of water.
Exactly. So the waiter brings it. You hold the glass in your hand. The glass is cold.
Cold water. I drink it. I put the glass back on the glass table.
Very good. Okay, now the waiter gives us the menu. Time to order.
Finally. Okay, let's see what they have.
Take a look.
Oh, no.
What's wrong? You don't like the food?
No, the food sounds great. The
Yeah.
writing on this menu, it is so small. It's tiny. It looks like little ants on the paper. I can't read this.
Uh-oh. That's a problem. Where are your glasses?
I don't know. I checked my pocket, my jacket, my bag.
Did you maybe leave them in the car?
Maybe. Oh, this is embarrassing. I'm squinting at the paper. I must look so strange.
You really need glasses to read. It's a common problem.
I do. He needs glasses to read, and he doesn't have them. This is terrible. I can't order if I don't know what the food is.
Can you read it for me?
Sure. I have my glasses right here. Let me put them on. Okay. Let's see. They have steak, grilled fish, and a mushroom pasta.
Okay, I'll have the pasta. Thank you for being my eyes.
Of course. That's what friends are for. But wait. Watch out.
Whoa.
Whoa. You're moving your arms around too much.
Oh, no. I hit the water.
Oh, crash.
Oh, no, she broke the glass.
You broke the glass. Water is everywhere, all over the table.
And it's dripping onto the floor. I'm so clumsy.
The waiter is rushing over.
This is a tragedy. First, I forget my glasses, so I can't see. Then I break the glass, so now I'm wet. It is a disaster.
Yeah.
But on the bright side, it's a perfect example of the words.
That is true. Even in my disaster, I'm practicing. I broke the glass, the drinking cup, because I didn't have my glasses, the eyewear.
Exactly. See the difference? The glass is the object on the table. It shatters. Glasses are the helper on your face. They help you see where the water actually is.
I definitely see the difference now. Or I would see the difference if I had my glasses.
Very funny. At least you're keeping your sense of humor.
You have to laugh or you'll cry, right? But you know, this whole imaginary dinner party, it feels very real to me.
Oh, yeah. Why is that?
Because it reminds me of something that actually happened. This isn't just imagination.
Oh. Did something happen recently?
Yes, literally last week. It's so similar to our story. I was at a restaurant with my family.
That nice one.
Yeah, an Italian place. Very nice. But I was in a big rush when I left my house. I was running late.
Let me guess. In your rush, you forgot something.
I forgot my glasses. I left them right on the kitchen counter. Walked out the door without them.
Oh, no. So you get to the restaurant, you sit down, and everything is just a blur.
A complete blur. The world was just, soft shapes and colors. Everything was fuzzy.
That's not good. It can make you feel a little dizzy.
It does, but it gets worse. I wanted to put some salt on my food. I saw a white shape on the table. I thought, there's the salt.
It wasn't the salt, was it?
No, it was my water cup. But because I wasn't wearing my glasses, I couldn't see the clear edge of it.
Oh, I can see where this is going.
I reached for the salt really fast, but I hit my cup hard. Bam! I broke a glass because I wasn't wearing my glasses.
So you lost a glass and you broke a glass.
Yes. It was such a mess. Wet clothes, no water, and the sound. That loud, shattering sound. Everyone in the whole restaurant just stopped and looked at me.
Oh, that's the worst feeling. That silence after the crash.
It was terrible. I turned bright red. The waiter came over with a broom. He was very nice about it. He said, "Be careful, sir. The glass is sharp."
Well, he was right. Broken glass is dangerous.
I know. And I had to apologize. I was like, "I'm so sorry. I can't see well. I forgot my glasses."
Did he understand?
He laughed a little. He was nice. He brought me a new glass of water. A plastic one this time.
That was kind of him. And probably smart.
Absolutely. Lesson learned. Always bring your glasses. Or you might break a glass.
It's a simple rule for life, I think.
It really is. It's funny, these words feel so different now. Before today, I never really thought about it.
They do. Let's think about that feeling one more time. It's not just about rules. It's the image in your head.
Okay, let's review the images.
If I say glass, singular, what's the image that pops into your head?
I see a material, like a window pane. Or a cold drink with ice cubes in it. It feels hard, smooth.
Exactly. It's a thing.
Yeah.
An object.
And if you say glasses, plural.
I look right at your face. I think of intelligence or reading a book, seeing clearly. It feels personal.
Yeah. Glasses are part of a person. A glass is just something you use. That's a really helpful way to think about it.
That's it, exactly.
Well, I promise I will try not to make that mistake again. I'll keep my glasses on my nose and the glass on the table.
Sounds like a very safe plan. Maybe check your pockets before you leave the house next time, too.
Good advice. But hey, I have a question for you, listening at home. What about you? Do you wear glasses?
That's a good question. A lot of people do.
Or do you have perfect eyes? Maybe you're one of the lucky ones.
Or maybe you only wear glasses for reading. That's really common.
True. Or maybe you wear contact lenses. That's a whole other word.
Or sunglasses. That's glasses, too.
Yes, sunglasses. A pair of sunglasses is the same rule, isn't it? 2 dark lenses.
Exactly. So tell us about your eyes. We'd love to know if you're a glasses person or not.
And try not to break anything today.
Yes, keep the glass on the table.
Absolutely. Thanks for listening. If you'd like more episodes like this, you can subscribe to the channel. See you next time.